But almost every action that we take involves hierarchical planning in some sense. And we really have absolutely no idea how to do this. Like there's zero demonstration of hierarchical planning in AI, where the various levels of representations that are necessary have been learned. We can do like two-level hierarchical planning when we design the two levels. So for example, you have like a dog-like robot, right? You want it to go from the living room to the kitchen. You can plan a path that avoids the obstacle. And then you can send this to a lower level planner that figures out how to move the legs to kind of follow that trajectories, right? So that works, but that two-level planning is designed by hand, right? We specify what the proper levels of abstraction, the representation at each level of abstraction have to be. How do you learn this? How do you learn that hierarchical representation of action plans? Right? With ConvNets and deep learning, we can train the system to learn hierarchical representations of percepts. What is the equivalent when what you're trying to represent are action plans?
For action plans, yeah. So you want basically a robot dog or humanoid robot that turns on and travels from New York to Paris all by itself,
for example.
All right. They might have some trouble at the TSA, but
yeah, no. But even doing something fairly simple like a household task,
sure,
like cooking or something.
Yeah, there's a lot involved. It's a super complex task. We take it for granted.